everybody, welcome back to Emmy and Friends, and today I'm going to be doing the refrigerator thing where I put you guys in the freezer for like 20 seconds and see what happens, if anything happens. People will do it in the fridge, but oh, my friend Alex. Hey Alex, I'm actually making a YouTube video right now. That's funny. I'm putting my laptop in the refrigerator. I have no clue. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it right now. Alright guys, let's do it. Yeah, I saw the video. He did one too, so go check out that. Alright guys, let's see what happens. I'm back guys. Let's see what happened. I have no clue what happened.
I did that before.
He did that before? He did that before? It was so cool.
And then just turned on.
Yeah, it just looked so cool. Oh. Guys, that was my iPad. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace out.